Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. A memorandum of understanding is being signed between the National Health Authority and the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment to ensuring rightful and respectable place for transgender. As per MOU, transgender person will now get composite healthcare services under the Ayushman Bharat and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. As per the MOU, it will extend all the healthcare benefits to transgender person holding a transgender certificate issued by the National Portal for Transgender Person across the country. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment will fund rupees 5 lakh insurance cover per transgender beneficiary per annum. A comprehensive package is being prepared for the transgender category, including the existing Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana package and specific packages like sex reassignment surgery and treatment for transgender. The scheme would cover all transgender persons not receiving such benefits from other center or states sponsored schemes. Ministry of Ayush and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology inked a Memorandum of Understanding for Ayush Grid project. It is a continuation of 2019 Memorandum of Understanding. As a part of MOU, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology will provide technical support including adoption of emerging technology for the Ayush Grid project. Let's understand something about the Ayush Grid project. Ayush Grid project was launched by the Ministry of Ayush in 2018 to create a backbone for IT sector. The project was launched under Digital India program that support information and technology in transforming operational efficiency, enhancing service quality and improving delivery of services. It will allow integration of all stakeholders and services or functions related to Ayush system of healthcare. The government plans to offer production linked swaps worth around $500 million to develop niche battery to achieve climate goals and cut reliance on fossil fuel imports. A new PLI is coming on niche advanced chemistry cell. Unlike the other PLI schemes where the focus is on manufacturing, this particular scheme is likely to provide SOPs for research and development of newer chemistries along with production. The search for new technologies and battery chemistry comes against the backdrop of an acute shortage of lithium in India. Reserve Bank of India digital rupee. The central bank digital currency may be introduced in phase beginning with wholesale business in the current financial year. RBI had proposed amendment to the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, which would enable it to launch the CBDCs. CBDCs are a digital form of a paper currency, and unlike cryptocurrency that operate in regulatory vacuum, these are legal tender issued and backed by a central government. It is the same as a fiat currency and is exchangeable one to one with the fiat currency. A fiat currency is a national currency that is not pegged to the price of a commodity such as gold or silver. The digital fiat currency or CBDCs can be transacted using wallet backed by the blockchain. Though the concept of CBDC was directly inspired by the Bitcoin, it is different from decentralized virtual currency and crypto asset, which are not issued by state and lack the legal tender status. The main objective is to mitigate the risk and trim cost in handling physical currency, cost of phasing out solid notes, transportation, insurance, and logistics. It will also wean people away from cryptocurrencies as a mean for money transfer, whereas Mahabaz became the first economy to launch its nationwide CBDC Sand Dollar. India's first commercial space situational awareness observatory will be set up in Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. The observatory will be set up by Digantra, a Bangalore-based space sector startup. The observatory will be the first of its kind in the region and set up to augment the startup's SSA's capability. It will be strategically positioned to serve global space traffic management operations. It will assist in tracking any activity in space, including that of space debris and military satellite hovering over the region. At present, the US is a dominant player in monitoring space debris. After the setup of this observatory, it will bring value to the nation by serving as an essential data source for advancing knowledge of the realm of space. It will be able to supplement its space-based center in their mission to monitor satellites and debris in orbit ranging from LEO to GEO. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button and subscribe our channel. Also comment your valuable feedback. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.